How to fix black screen with cursor on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your black screen with cursor on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your apps and then go with settings. Under settings, you just need to simply go with reset, or you can simply go with system. Under system, you can go with recovery, and then here you will have advanced startup. So you just need to simply go with restart now. And once you go with restart now, it will take you to the Windows recovery page. So the recovery page looks like this, where you just need to simply go with the troubleshoot option. Once you go with the troubleshoot, you will have the advanced option. You just need to simply go with the advanced options. Under advanced option, you can go with the uninstall updates option. You can simply click on it. Once you go with uninstall updates, you will have the uninstall latest quality update or uninstall other updates. You just need to simply go with the first one, which is uninstall latest quality updates. And then you can go with done. Once your latest quality updates have been uninstalled, you can simply go with done. Once you've done with this, now what you need to do is simply go with the settings. You need to restart your PC and then go with settings. Under settings, you need to go with Windows Update. Go with just simply pause the updates. Once you've paused the updates, then your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.